everyone, welcome to I Review Beauty channel, the encyclopedia of cosmetic brands. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you think that this content is useful for you. Today in this video we are talking about COVERGIRL Trublend Liquid Foundation. Here I have the M1 color, which is natural beige, and this liquid foundation is also available in 21 shades, 7 light, 7 medium, and 7 deep. COVERGIRL Trublend liquid foundation is lightweight and oil-free, so it's suitable for acne-prone skin. It also matches 99% of all skin tones and provides the flawless look. You can combine several, like 2 of them, to really reach that perfect color of your skin. You use this foundation same as any other foundation. You dot a little bit on your forehead, cheeks, and chin, and then you blend it with your fingers or makeup sponge. For best results, it's recommended to use COVERGIRL pressed powder to make your look last longer. This package comes in 1 ounce 30 milliliters glass bottle, and it has the ingredient list on the back of each bottle.